Hi guys, I'm Sundus Mufakir and you've been watching me on Filmy Beats. I'm getting approached by much more uh, makers that are having good script, good storylines, and I don't sign the projects. If you can already look at me and then be like, okay, she can pull this character. I think that whenever I get trolled, it just gives me more fire to keep going. I always do three things. Either I call my dad because I believe in him and I feel like he's like a good supporter for me. Feel ki it's a project that I really want to do in my life, either now or sooner. Worked with like colors in Khatro, and my personality have not been seen like to 100%. Like you've only seen Khatro, I think 50%. Be seen through a reality show which is like a 24/7 live, which is only Big Boss. I think that the audience is judging him based on what he have done in Big Boss. Sharam nahi aa rahi hai that you're judging someone based on that show that he has done 5 years back.
Hi guys, this is Kinnari Singh and a warm welcome to Filmy Beat और आज हमारे साथ हैं सौंदुस तो आपका बहुत बहुत वेलकम सबसे पहले
Thank you for having me.
सौंदुस आप सबसे पहले तो आपसे ये जानना चाहते हैं कि बैक टू बैक रियलिटी शोज किए काफ़ी पॉपुलैरिटी मिली उन शो से अब एक बहुत प्यारा गाना आया है मोनी विच इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग इट्स ट्रेंडिंग ऑल्सो
Yeah.
सो आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर कि कुछ इंटरव्यूज आपने कहा था इन योर पास्ट इंटरव्यूज दैट कहीं ना कहीं यू आर फाइंडिंग दैट एक्सेप्टेंस फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री
Yeah.
नाउ डू you think you are getting the acceptance or do you still face those barriers जहाँ पे you get irritated?
I feel that the audience in this industry are very diverse, where you have an audience for like rap, for item songs, for web series, for TV, for movies. So of course I didn't knock all these doors, and there's so much more audience that I can and I should reach out to, and that can only happen by working on project that entertains them. Am I getting acceptance? Yes. Am I getting support for what I'm doing? Yes. People are acknowledging the hard work that I'm doing, the talent that I have, and the trust is there.
Okay. So yeah, things are working
Yeah.
which is great. I also read one of your interview, which was very sad, but you said that there was a phase where you were also offered, some nude and semi-nude projects, and of course, as an artist. Who comes here to prove their caliber in acting and जब ऐसे project offer होते it is demotivating. uh, has this phase gone now and people are actually offering you roles जहाँ पे be it your dancing talent या acting talent दिखे?
Yeah, it's happening right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what I have done good in the past 1 year, but I'm getting approached by much more uh, makers that are having good script, good storylines, and that's seen me more than just like a beauty or a figure.
Which is
That
great.
sees in me like a character, and that's like uh, itself, it's an achievement. Even if I don't sign the projects, if you can already look at me and then like be like, okay, she can pull this character, that itself is like, okay, good, I'm on the right path.
जी, जी। आपने ये भी कहा है कि इनिशियली आपके पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेप्टिंग नहीं थे इस करियर के। अब क्या वो थोड़ा दे हैव कूल्ड
Yeah.
डाउन एंड दे हैव अंडरस्टूड एनीथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू से?
My dad have always been very, 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 very supportive of my choices of joining this industry, but unfortunately my mom have not liked it at all, and she was totally like against it. But I think that she understood that she cannot make me change my mind. I think that she just like give up.
ओके।
And she's like, I want peace with you. I understand that now you want to do this and you are doing it not just for the glamour or like the skin showing, you're doing it because you love it. And she like apologized that I'm sorry I didn't support you before, but it took me time to understand your point of view and then like support you. But yeah, now it's happening.
So dad was always supportive. of your career, of your choices?
No, she has
No,
never.
dad. You just said your
Yeah, yeah,
father.
yeah. My
Okay.
dad did. Yeah,
Okay, he was
yeah.
supportive. Oh, great. Okay, so just tell me something. Of course, जब आपने industry शुरू की, because you don't belong to India, you don't belong to Mumbai. Definitely, people who don't belong to India and Mumbai, there are chances कि यहाँ पे, financially people can dupe you more easily because you don't have any knowledge related
Hmm.
to this industry. You can easily fall prey to casting couch. Again, it happens with people who belongs to Mumbai also, but people like you, chances थोड़े ज़्यादा होते हैं. When you started, in this industry, does any thing happen like पैसों में फंसाना या फिर casting couch, any unpleasant experience basically?
Yeah, like I've done one ad and I didn't get paid for like 9 months.
Oh, okay.
I have to. I had like to sue them. I had to like call, ask my friends to call them, and all the people on that ad have been paid, but just not me,
Okay.
because maybe they felt like, oh my god, she's a foreigner. We can
Yeah.
like just like not take her seriously and maybe not pay her because we're giving her exposure. And I'm like, no, I'm like an artist and you have to pay me for the work we have done. So yeah, a lot of things like this happen, and especially agencies are sometimes can be very bad. Like
Yeah.
they cut your money, they lie about the budget, and I experienced that in the beginning of like my career, the first like 6 months.
Now is it pretty
Yeah,
cool?
yeah.
Yeah. Does it still
Yeah,
happen?
no, the people I'm working with right now are very like
Hmm.
helpful, like a family that I really love and trust. But I had to go through a lot with agencies before.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Talking now, this is about, of course, the production which we talked about. Talking about the industry people, like the actors, we know you had some unpleasant experience which you have been vocal about in the past. But I want to talk about those people who were actually good to you, if not very supportive, because eventually it's your journey. You have to, go through it. But who were really good to you? Are those any names who are actors and who have been good and kind to you?
I think when I did the season roadies,
Hmm.
Sonu Sood sir have always been very supportive,
Okay.
and at the end of the show, he was like, Sundus, I see like something in you. Just like keep working hard, and you will do it.
Hmm.
When I did Splitsvilla, Arjun Bijlani have always been supportive and been
Hmm.
like, I can see that fire. Just keep going. You will get it. From time to time I get on a call with them and they're like, how is it, how is the Hindi, we see this, you've done this and this and this, we're very proud of you.
Hmm.
So there are people that like keep checking on me in a very good intention and like who support me and believe in me.
Which is great actually. Even
Yeah,
to have that
I
little
mean, like,
support.
and they're
Yeah.
like mentors, people that have hosted one of the shows I've done, like their caliber is much more bigger and their experience is much more big, and them talking to like a beginner and a junior and like advising them and taking time out to check on them, it's something that is really amazing.
Right, right, right. Last few questions. As you said that just because you didn't belong to this country, you were a foreigner. The agency thought they can trick you for money. Just because of that language barrier, because you don't belong outside country, have you ever been bullied or mocked by production house or by a co-stars? I understand if you can't take name, that I
Hmm.
understand, but have you faced those experiences?
Yeah, there has been times where people will be like, अरे तुम हिंदी में बात नहीं कर सकते हो, ये क्या डिक्शन है, तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, तुम ऑडिशन क्यों देना है, just don't give the
Hmm.
audition. Then I'm always like, सुनो, मुझे पता है कि मेरा डिक्शन इतना अच्छा नहीं है और मेरा डिक्शन इतना बदल नहीं कर सकते एक दिन में या एक साल में या दो
जी.
साल में, टाइम लगेगा. मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ, ये बस की फ्लो नहीं आ रहा है. अगर मैं स्क्रिप्ट मिलती हूँ कुछ दिन के पहले, ऑडिशन के पहले, तो I can like give those lines. But I've been always like, I'll give that audition,
Hmm.
you thinking that because of my language I cannot, I'll give it. तो फिर बाद में आपका मर्जी है,
Hmm.
डायरेक्टर को भेजना है नहीं भेजना है तो ये आपका काम है, देख लो. लेकिन मुझे ऑडिशन देना है, of course I'll do
Right,
it.
right, right. Okay, tell me something. You have faced your own share of trolls. आपकी, समय समय पे there have
Hmm.
been negative criticism, and of course एक time था जब parents का support थोड़ा कम था. There is a lot of financial struggle when you are on your own. Um, in all this, there's a very big possibility that a person can be mentally affected on a very large scale. They can go to
Hmm.
depression, they can have, anxiety.
Hmm.
Uh, if you have ever been through those things, इन सब चीजों से आपने अपने आप को किस तरह से संभाला, एंड क्या आप डिप्रेशन में या एंजाइटी
Hmm.
हुई इन सब चीजों की वजह से?
I think that whenever I get trolled, it just gives me more fire
हम्म,
to keep going. But sometimes it can be very bad that you are like shattered and you are like कोई energy अंदर नहीं है.
जी,
You know, कोई
हम्म,
motivation नहीं है. Sometimes I cry because I lost. Sometimes I lose that motivation I had in the
of course,
beginning. You
yeah,
know, like that. I'll do it sometimes after so many rejections or like trolls or like after so many bad experience, you tend to give up, you know.
हम्म,
So I always do three things. Either I call my dad because I believe in him and I feel like he's like a good supporter for me,
हम्म,
and I'm sure that if I take that phone and make that call, I'll like get a good motivation
yeah.
speech. Sometimes I just sleep, you know. I
That's
just
actually,
sleep. I swear, force myself to sleep. I wake up very
hmm,
fresh.
hmm,
That helps like insanely. And there is one friend that I always call and who always supports me since day one, and he's always, no, listen, you might be feeling that it's not happening, but I see your hustle. I see the growth in you. I see how is it going, and believe me, from like an outside view, it's looking great, and you are
definitely.
on the right path. So yeah, it can be mentally exhausting. That's why I feel that whenever I have friends that are staying with their family, I'm like, you have to be grateful,
Yeah,
because
true.
when I have a bad day or like when I'm exhausted and I go back home, there is no one, you know, to welcome me. There is no that mommy ka khana. There is no like that mommy that wakes you up in the morning with like good breakfast and like keep an eye on you and everything is ready for you.
Mm,
When you are alone, it gets very hard because you have to do everything on your own.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Was there any specific phase or any mean comment which really like hampered you? If you recall, or if you can tell. If not, that's also fine.
Yeah, like I really, it hurts when someone writes she's trying very hard.
Okay.
I'm like, of course I'm trying very hard. What should I do rather than trying hard or like
Mm,
to keep trying?
mm,
I mean, when you tell someone you are trying very hard, you're killing that hope
yeah,
that that person is having, and an artist has only hope,
yeah.
you know. Even if your family is there, even if you have money, that doesn't mean that you will become successful. So all is left for you is hope that the next job you will do will get you like to other places. So when you tell someone this, you're just killing that fire, and it's, I feel that's very mean. Like, I don't care when people troll me about the looks or about the accent or the Hindi,
Hmm.
but when you say something that touches my soul, that's when it kills me.
Right, right, right. But we do hope that आपको बहुत अच्छी opportunities
Thank you.
मिले, जिसमें आपका हर तरीके का talent, चाहे वो dance हो, because it is actually a very very beautiful talent. Dance is a beautiful art form.
Yeah.
चाहे वो acting हो, वो definitely निखर के आए. But is there any kind of character or project which आप चाहते हो कि sooner or later आप जरूर करें?
Like two kind of roles. Either I've said it before, like a
Hmm.
cyber crime,
Okay.
someone like in Dhoom, you know, Ishwarya.
Okay.
In Dhoom, she was like very beautiful, sexy, hot, but she was like
Hmm.
that negative
Hmm.
lead, you know. And
Hmm.
I think that we don't have that yet in the industry right
Very
now.
few, I think. अगर
Yeah,
है भी तो बहुत.
we don't
Yeah.
have, you
Yeah.
know. And the second one would be a very innocent girl, you know, like Shada in Ashiki,
Yeah.
you know, like no makeup, just
You have that
eyes and
innocence any which ways.
yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it'll be, yeah.
So yeah, this kind of two roles, that's something that I would love to do.
राइट, मैनिफेस्टिंग एंड होपिंग
Yeah.
आपको जरूर ऐसे किरदार मिले. बस आखिरी दो सवाल है मेरे आपसे. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर होपिंग क्योंकि शायद आप बिग बॉस OTT 3 के वर्जन में होंगे. वाज देयर डिस्कशन हुआ था? एनीथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू से?
I feel कि it's a project that I really want to do in my life, either now or sooner.
ओके.
बाद में वो चैनल का कॉल है,
जी.
और हर सीजन का क्रिएटिव स्टोरी लाइन अलग अलग है. कभी कभी आप शो के लिए बहुत अच्छे हो, लेकिन ये इस साल का स्टोरी लाइन मैच नहीं करते,
मैच नहीं कर. ओके.
you know. So sometimes it's not because you are bad or you're not worth it. So I hope that whenever I get in the show, it will be less about like drama and less because I am into some like controversy, but it will be more for my
Yeah,
personality, you know.
yeah.
And I feel that I've worked with like colors in Khatro, and my personality have not been seen like to 100%. Like you've only seen in Khatro, I think 50%. There is like a lot of sides of me, which is like maybe emotional side, anger issues, very like opinionative about everything. If even it's not my problem, I'll come and be like, hey, mujhe lagta hai ki ye. So these like pointers have not been seen, and I feel that it can only be seen through a reality show which is like a 24/7 live, which is only Big Boss. So जब वो मेरा किस्मत आएगा तो we'll do it.
तो होगा ओके
Yeah.
आखिरी सवाल खतरों के खिलाड़ी डेफिनेटली प्लेड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन टर्म्स ऑफ आपको जो भी फेम आज मिला है रिकग्नाइजेशन आज मिला है नाउ खतरों के खिलाड़ी का अगर हम आने वाले सीजन की बात करें अदर लॉट ऑफ कंटेस्टेंट उसमें से एक कंटेस्टेंट है आसिम नाउ वी नो कि यू नो हिम मे बी नॉट ऑन अ वेरी ग्रेटर लेवल बट यू नो हिम एंड देयर वाज दिस रीसेंट थिंग जहाँ पे इट वाज सेड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एंगर इशू उन्हें शो से निकाला गया नाउ आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि आप इस पे नहीं बोल पाओगे बिकॉज यू हैव witnessed that thing
Yeah.
but whatever you know about Asim do you think वो ऐसा कर सकते because professional level पे personally वो चाहे जैसे भी हो
I think that the audience is judging him based on what he has have
In
done
Big
in
Boss,
Big Boss.
yeah.
But that Big Boss, I don't remember exactly the इस साल था, but मुझे लगता है कि वो 2008
Big Boss 13 हाँ long back yeah
13 and this one is 19
this one is 18 which will come
18
October
so
में,
it's like
हाँ.
5 साल. तुम लोग शर्म नहीं आ रही है that you're judging someone based on that show that she has done 5 years back. People change. लोगों का personality बदल जाते हैं, उनके mindset भी बदल जाते हैं. So I feel like the audience needs to a little bit calm down and not just like ऐसे judge based on like a poster that is rolling around on Instagram and maybe wait for his own explanation or wait for when the show will be airing. And I'm sure that whatever he has done it based on his own belief and personal belief. And I'm sure that he would have taken a choice that would make him mentally sane and stable. And I think that's the best thing that someone can do.
Right. How do you know Asim? Can you just share any light?
It was a coincidence. We just like it just happened to that we go to the same yoga classes.
Okay.
Together.
And there you
Yeah.
so you are like close friends or like it's okay like acquaintance
like acquaintance like we
Right.
keep like meeting during that yoga that happens I think three times, and then we went to the gym one time. So it's not like a proper
Yeah.
friend, but it's like a beautiful energy that I came across, and I've never felt oh my god, this person is like so violent or dramatic. It was always nice and always very, he was always very calm and like nice vibe, nice aura.
Right. Okay. Any female contestant अगर आपको पता है कौन गया है, you are rooting for, you hope because खतरों के खिलाड़ी का रेशियो थोड़ा कम है, लड़कियां थोड़ी कम जीती हैं. तो अगर ऐसा कोई है जो female contestant you think ये कमाल कर सकती है?
No, I don't know any female this year.
There is Shilpa Shinde, there is Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia, there is Sumona Chakravarti.
Yeah.
So these are basically the known one. Do you think anyone has the potential? जितना भी आप ऊपर से जानते हो.
I don't know them personally.
Okay. No worries. On this note, so on those all the best. आपके आने वाले हर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए we do hope कि आने वाला साल the struggle is less, the opportunities are more, and उसका execution उससे भी ज़्यादा हो. So on this note, thank you so much. Anything you want to say to your fans?
Thank you so much for having me. It was really lovely having these like deep conversations. But I really hope that the struggle doesn't end, because the struggle is what
at least
keeps
comes
me.
less. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. But thank you guys for supporting and loving me, and for accepting me. And I hope I will entertain you more with my upcoming projects.
Thank you so